Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Most range repairs will require some disassembly of the appliance. Before you attempt this, be sure to unplug the appliance first. To access components through the back of the range, simply remove the screws securing the main rear panel and set the panel aside. When the repair is complete, replace the rear panel and secure the screws. To access control panel components, remove the screws securing the upper rear panel. When the repair is done, replace the panel and secure it with the screws. If your repair requires the removal of the range's main top, first open the oven door and remove the screws securing the main top. Once the screws are removed, close the oven door and lift the main top up. You should use a sturdy object to support it. When the repair is complete, remove the support and lower the main top. Secure the main top by reinstalling the screws. To remove the oven door, use a flathead screwdriver to flip the hinge locks all the way down on both sides of the door. You can now lift the door up and out. To reinstall the oven door, align the door's hinge hooks with the holes in the cabinet and push the hinge locks back into place. Once the range is fully reassembled, you can plug it back in and check the appliance to make sure it's functioning properly.